Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of analysts and educators tries to provide you a better understanding of a major market event scheduled soon, and that will have an effect on global markets. Britain will have a new Prime Minister by the 2nd of September after the executive of the Conservative Party's backbench 1922 committee set a tighter than expected timetable for selecting a new leader. David Cameron announced last Friday that he would step down following the historic EU referendum result, paving the way for a new Prime Minister to be appointed by the time of the party's conference in October. But the 1922 executive, chaired by the MP Graham Brady, which met on Monday lunchtime, said it would recommend a more rapid process. "Things are in our hands and we are moving as quickly as possible," said Brady. "We think that the party and the country want certainty." He added that if a new Prime Minister presses ahead with the crucial renegotiations, they could then call a general election to allow the public to give their verdict on Britain's new relationship with the EU. With Boris Johnson out of the Conservative Party leadership race, chances are that Theresa May will be Britain's next Prime Minister. Looking at the 5 candidates, it seems almost certain that May and Michael Gove, the man who pushed Johnson out of the race, will be the finalists that party members will be asked to choose between. British bookies already have May as the odds-on favourite to win the job when party votes are counted in September. Increasingly, British politics has come to be dominated by internal party politics, so it's worth understanding their process and rules. Barclays analysts compiled a short guide to how the Conservatives will pick a new leader both for their party and for Britain. Here's how it looks. A potential candidate must be nominated in writing by 2 Conservative MPs, with nominations closing on Thursday the 30th of June at midday, and a list of valid candidates is subsequently published. If there is only one valid candidate, that person is declared elected. If there are only 2 valid candidates, both names go forward to the grassroots membership of the Conservative Party. If there are more than 2 valid candidates, a ballot is held amongst the parliamentary party, the MPs, on the Tuesday immediately following the closing date for nominations, in this case Tuesday the 5th of July 2016. An exhaustive ballot system is used to select 2 candidates to go forward to the grassroots membership. This means that if there are more than 3 official candidates will be whittled down until only 2 candidates remain. When 2 candidates are put forward to the grassroots membership for selection, voting occurs by postal ballot on a one-member, one-vote basis. This is to occur as soon as it is practicable after the date of the last ballot in the parliamentary party. To be eligible to vote, a person must be a member of the Conservative Party for not less than 3 months prior to the close of the grassroots membership ballot for the election. Estimates suggest there are approximately 150,000 eligible members.